Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. In today's episode, Rithm Capital announces a public offering of common stock, and we dive into the top 5 short-crowded stocks in each U.S. sector. The Justice Department sues Visa over alleged monopoly practices in the debit card market, while Coca-Cola pulls the plug on Coke Spiced. Intel unveils its new enterprise AI solutions Xeon 6 and Gaudi 3, and Seeking Alpha reveals the top quant-rated China stocks. McKesson faces a downgrade to neutral at Baird due to an unusual sell-side event, and Nvidia trends upward as Blackwell's release date approaches. Stay tuned after this short ad break to learn more. Rithm Capital, listed on the New York Stock Exchange under RITM, is launching a public offering of 30 million shares of common stock, pending market conditions. They may also allow underwriters to buy an additional 4.5 million shares within 30 days. Proceeds will fund general corporate purposes.
Citi research analysts identified the most short-crowded stocks in each sector. Top picks include Bumble Incorporated, Choice Hotels International, Duckhorn Portfolio Incorporated, Helmerich & Payne Incorporated, Evertec Incorporated, Zimmer Biomet Holdings, Sensata Technologies Holdings, Xerox Holdings Corporation, Ecovist Incorporated, Apple Hospitality Real Estate Investment Trust, and UGI Corporation.
The U.S. Department of Justice has filed a civil antitrust lawsuit against Visa, accusing the company of maintaining an illegal monopoly in the debit card market. This action allegedly stifles competition and costs consumers billions. Visa's shares fell 5.4% on the news, with over 60% of U.S. debit transactions running on its network.
Coca-Cola is discontinuing its newest flavor, Coke Spiced, just over 6 months after launch. The drink aimed at younger consumers failed to gain traction. Despite this, Coca-Cola's strong market presence remains unaffected, with recent earnings showing a 15% rise in organic revenue and a 10% increase in operating income.
Intel has launched its next-generation enterprise AI solutions, Xeon 6 and Gaudi 3, aiming to challenge Nvidia's dominance. Intel stock rose 2%, while Nvidia climbed 4%. The Gaudi 3 accelerator is optimized for large-scale generative AI, and Xeon 6 offers double the performance of its predecessor.
The People's Bank of China cut its reserve requirement ratio and main short-term interest rate, boosting Chinese stocks. The MSCI China Exchange Traded Fund rose 8.27%, the CSI China Internet Exchange Traded Fund increased 9.18%, and the iShares China Large Cap Exchange Traded Fund climbed 8.85%. Shanghai Index gained 4.15% and Hong Kong's Hang Seng surged 7.96%.
Baird downgraded medical distributor McKesson from outperform to neutral due to concerns over an unusual investor event on November 7th. Analyst Eric Coldwell noted 2 disappointing quarterly reports and lowered expectations for the second quarter. Baird also reduced McKesson's price target from $603 to $531 per share.
Nvidia shares rose 4% as the company prepares to ship its Blackwell graphics processing unit in the fourth quarter. CEO Jensen Huang announced at a conference that production is ramping up, with expected demand driving potential revenue over $10 billion. Hopper chip demand also remains strong.
Thank you for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Catch us tomorrow for more insights and updates in the world of business. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Goodbye for now, until we meet again tomorrow.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.